Good morning and welcome to TheLifeOfJord. This is where I'm staying. It's my room. As you can see, I'm exporting right now. Just had to catch up on some vlogs this morning because the last 2 days have been crazy hectic. I guess you would have seen already now. But this is where I'm staying. These are my new friends down here. This is the view from my hotel room. And let's go down and say hi. Good morning, say hello. Hi. How's it going, guys? Good morning. So I'm not exactly sure what the plan for today is yet, but I do have a turon with sweet potato. So, you know, it's all downhill from here. No, I do need to do some work on here quickly. I need to do some editing to try and really crack on with the website. But then I do want to explore as well. This is a really good place to rent a bike and go exploring around the island. So I think I'll do that for a bit as well. The vegan saga continues. What is it? Lentils, you said?
It's mung beans.
Mung beans.
Thank you. And there's bananas if anyone wants.
Right, productive morning. Now we can go explore. Right, I've just done what I need to do. Check it out, I've got a video uploading. This is the only way I can reach the Wi-Fi by putting it there. But now, let's go explore some Singapore. Rhymes. Let's go. We've got an old Vespa. Nice. Looks like a Vespa anyway. First, we need gas. 22.40. And 22.40. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I just realised I can't do that. I need 2 hands. You hold that for a second. Yeah. Welcome to Lugnason Falls. Let's have a look what these are like. This way. Ahaha. This way. This place is so cool. There's loads of different spots to jump off, and these guys are here too. Woo! What a cool little find. Just exploring and we found this place. He's not even coming back up! What? I have to be incredibly careful right now. so I don't want to break my camera because I didn't charge the GoPro. First, a donation box. Why not? I think every little helps, so donate to the fools. I can keep it nice like that. Don't know where we're going now, but let's find out. And the bacco juice. How's the bacco juice? Or the bacco juice? I think that means good. Yeah, sure, I'll try some. It's good. Yeah? Passing the ceremonial coconut. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. One hand to take up. It's difficult.
One hand to take up.
I don't think we're sure where we're going at the moment, but we'll keep going this way. Well, we have arrived at a cave, Cantabon Cave, but it says no tour guide, no entry. So I'm trying to figure out whether to chance it or get a tour guide. What do you think? I think we'll go have a look. Yeah, so that's another thing to mention. Sigihor apparently is an enchanted witch island, and lots of people believe there's lots of magical stuff here. So maybe we're going into a witch's lair or dragon's cave. I don't know. There's no one here, so we don't know whether to have a look or not. It looks pretty dark.
I'm not sure if...
There's no one here, and the idea of crawling down into that dark little cave without a flashlight is not something I want to do today. So let's see what else there is around. So right now we are here. There's Cantabon Cave, and we found the place where you find tour guides from. It costs 200 and you get all of the equipment included. But apparently there's water that goes up to your chest, and me being stupid didn't charge my GoPro. So although I'm going to go do it, I'm not sure how I'm going to film any of it yet. One of the Israeli guys I'm with has a GoPro, so I'll see if I can steal some of his footage and put it next. Here we go. That was really fun. That was really good. I don't know how it came out, and I don't know what you got to see because I wasn't in charge of the GoPro. But you would have seen it already, so I tried my best. I'll make sure to charge it next time. But yeah, that was really nice. I had no idea that it existed either, and I just went and did it for 3 hours caving. And we just emerged into what looks like a really nice sunset. So we're going to try and find somewhere to watch the sunset. We've got a great view of the top of some trees.
Next year they will build another floor.
Yeah. Well, we made it here just in time for this beautiful sunset, and oh well. It was still a really cool day, but it doesn't matter, we didn't get the sunset because we had a good rest of the day. And now I'm going to go find some dinner and then chill out in the evening back at the hostel. So again, thanks for watching, and this is my life. Right, I would love to leave it there, but instead we're just blown a tyre. So So we've punctured the tyre in the middle of nowhere at night. I'm going to get that fixed now. Well, this guy's helping me to get it fixed. To show where the puncture is. This is great. We just got like stranded in the middle of nowhere and literally everyone here is helping us. So nice. So that burns for 5 minutes and then it seals it? Okay. Cool.
It's a describing word.
This is how you turn a tyre puncture into a breakdancing competition.
Anavim. Grapes.
Right, it looks like we have it fixed now. Thank God. Everyone here has been so amazingly friendly and nice. And the whole town's come out. But anyway, I'll leave it there now. We can finally leave. So thanks for watching. And this is my life.